Welcome to 5.10's Math Moment. Today in math, students worked on identifying if the problem either called for multiplication or division. So students are going to need to solve these questions thinking about if they require a multiplication or division answer. So let's look at example number 1. A group of friends are going to the beach. The 11 friends are going to split the cost of the trip equally. Here's a really big keyword that I think I'm going to need to remember. The cost is $979. What is each friend's share? Okay, there are several really big keywords in there that made me know this was a division problem. I heard the word split, I heard equally, and I heard the word share. So I'm going to take my $979 and I'm going to divide it by my 11 friends. Okay. Now notice I went ahead and dropped off the zeros in this case. You can write them if you want to, but in this case they really don't add a lot of value to it. It just tells me that it's a number, that it has money in it. Okay, so I'm going to think, for my answer, can 11 go into 9? It can't. Can 11 go into 97? Well, thinking of that, I know my 11s, I'm going to think that it can go in there 8 times. Just to double check my answer, I'm going to write over here, write 11 times 8, which I know is 88. I know 11 times 9 is 99, which is slightly over. So when I think about this answer, I'm going to write down my 88. And I'm going to go ahead and subtract. Now 7 minus 8 I cannot do, so I'm going to borrow. This becomes now 17 minus 8, which is 9. And then I have 8 minus 8, which is 0. Bring down my last 9. And then can 11 go into 9? It can go in there 9 times, like we just talked about. 9 times 11 is 99, with 0 left over. Now it's really important, I dropped off the zeros in this case, but students need to remember this is like just saying we have $89. So each friend is going to have an equal share of $89. For example 2, it says the same group of 11 friends are going to the beach. They each brought 96 ounces of sunscreen. How many ounces of sunscreen do all the friends have together? So I want to know how much they all have together, and that there are the 11 friends again. Alright, a lot of students might see this answer and think all the friends together. Well, that tells me that all together sometimes tells me to add. Well, in this case, that's true, but there's another key word in this question that signals that it's multiplication, which is the word each. So one of the 11 friends has 96, and another one has 96, and another one has 96. So students could add 96 11 times, or a faster way to do that would be simply to take 96 times 11. 1 times 6 is 6. 9 times 1 is 9. Put my 0 down. 6 times 1 is 6. 9 times 1 is 9. When I add these together, I get 1,056 ounces of sunscreen. If you have any questions about today's lesson, make sure that you see your math teacher.